Catholic Church and Monastery of the Benedictines, a monument of Renaissance architecture. The complex was built by the famous Lviv architect Pavel the Roman in 1595. The complex is surrounded by protected walls preserved from the 17th century and served as a defensive as a part of the defensive city of Lvov Posad. The buildings were damaged by a fire in 1623 and then restored in 1627. After a big fire in 1748, the complex was restored by the architect Mikhail Urbanik, and as a result of the reconstruction, the church lost its original appearance. Currently, the church belongs to the Ukrainian Greek Catholic Church, and it's called the Church Intercession of the Studite Sisters.